Hey guys, I accidentally pressed the stop button instead of the pause button, but when you're putting in these metal rods, it's kind of tricky, so I hold one end just in the air and then I kind of guide it like this. So, yeah. Do the closed end last, so you're gonna do it this way, actually. That's my bad. Okay, so you have the side, this is gonna need flash. Okay, so you're gonna feed it like this, keep it in the air, and then kind of go little bit by little bit. That's kind of the easiest way I've noticed. And sorry for switching from landscape to portrait, but this is the easiest way to show this. All right, when you're near the end, I typically start checking that every line is in because these do fall out of the rubber guide rail pretty easily. So just make sure everything's in there before you lock it out. And sorry about the focus, but yeah. Okay, so this is what you want to be seeing. Each rail is in the or in the little rail position. Everything's right. Check both sides because sometimes weird stuff can happen where it doesn't, or it kind of falls out for some reason. And yeah, once you're at this stage, you just have to push, or maybe pulling is better. And like that, and it just locks in. Then I do another double check to see if everything's still in the right place. All right, I just checked it, so this short wiper is good to go for me. I'm gonna write the date on this section, just so the next time I know when it was replaced. And when you put these back on the car, it's just a J-hook, so you just let me show you with this, like as an example. So the wiper arms are like hooked like this way, right? So you're just gonna put it in like this, do this, and then pull it, and then just clip it. Oh, the focus is really bad, but let me do that again. So you're gonna put the wiper arm, like J-hooks like this, turn this around so it hooks on, then do that, and then pull, and then just clip it. So, oh, okay guys, so on the long wiper, remember how I was talking about on the short wiper, there's like a little divot on the metal? The divot on this one is only on one side, and it's the side with the little locking tab right here. So that's why it mattered, or that's why I remembered it mattering. Maybe on the short one it doesn't matter because it has it on both sides, the divots, but on this one doesn't have the divot. So yeah, just remember that, and I'm gonna be doing this one next. Okay, I fed all of these in. Remember earlier I was talking about how you would want to pull this to lock instead of basically push this. I wanted to mention that one more time because you can mess this up if you push it instead of pulling it. So pulling it like that is the right motion. If you push it, it'll get like kind of scrunchy right here and then might slip out of the track. So just want to mention that again. All right, guys, I finished everything. This is a totally new assembly. This is where you write the date if you want to. Same with these. This is the hook part, and that is the hook part as well. So I've got all of these replaced. I'm gonna put them on the car now. Okay guys, so this is the wiper. There's my little date. What you're gonna do is place it like this first. Oh, actually. Okay. Place it like that, go all the way there, and then it will clip in. So that's the rear. Okay guys, so this is what my things look like. So the driver is 26 inches. I put my date here. Passenger side is 18 inches or whatever that measurement is, and I put the date there. So I'm gonna do my driver's one now. Try and zoom in. Okay, so as you can see, okay, let's see. I'm gonna put this up here, like this, and then I'm gonna put it in like this. Hey, come on. put it in like this, right? So it's like above, twist it, push up, keep going as much up as you can, then click it. So we're gonna try to do the same with the passenger side. We're gonna lift it up. Where is it? Right here? Hey, hold that level. Okay, and then I'm gonna put it in like this, then put all the way, clip, and it's locked. And it's good. So yeah, that's what it looks like, and that's it.